Are you blind? You are lucky I love you, Mom.
What are you doing, Izzy? What are you doing? Get off his back.
One dinner tastes so good you can't keep your feet still and then kick your dinner bowl into your own face.
What are you doing, Izzy? What are you doing? Get off his back.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
This freaking cute.
This leg. More. Good. Good. Now this leg. One. Good. Up, smile. Stop. Yes. Good. Smarty pants.
Smarty pants.
Angry horsey.
Alright, Chuck. Come in. You can do it. You can do it.
Ding dong.
Watch till the end, it's worth it.
Sucks.
You're hungry? Yeah.
You're not actually stuck. Come on. You're a horse. You can jump over things. Come on. Sophie! Did you get stuck between the pole and the wall? Oh no. such a nerd. I love you.
Little Rock, what are you doing? Get off the house. Get off the house.
Regina, stop! Do you know what everyone says about you? They say that you're a homeschooled jungle freak who's a less hot version of me. Yeah, so don't try to act so innocent. You can take that fake apology.
My mom was trying to make a cute TikTok video.
Come here.
She didn't know I was going to eat her phone and run away. My mom laughed. She thought it was cute. Until I held it over the water trough. She will not be late feeding my breakfast ever again.